If your microwave suddenly stopped working, no lights, no sound, completely dead, don't panic. It might just be a blown fuse. In this video I'll show you step by step how to check and replace it. First, turn off the circuit breaker to be safe. Then unscrew the bottom front screws and the ones on top holding the trim. Remove the trim. You'll see screws where the microwave is mounted onto the bracket. Take those out next. You'll also see a few electrical connectors behind the trim. In my case, there were 3 of them. Disconnect each of those. Once all of that is out of the way, you can start wiggling the microwave free from the cabinet or wall mount.
Oh, hold on. No, it's free. There we go. My favorite side. Yeah.
After the microwave is out, you'll need to remove the screws on the side panels to get inside. With those out, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, this part is super important. Before touching anything else, make sure to discharge the capacitor. Even if the microwave has been unplugged, the capacitors can still hold a charge. Simply short the 2 terminals using insulated handled pliers. Once that's safely discharged, take out the fuse and check it for continuity using a multimeter. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same type and rating. After that, it's just a matter of putting everything back the way it was. Reattach the side panel, slide the microwave back in place, reconnect the connectors, and screw the trim and front pieces back together, and switch on the breaker. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you fix your microwave. If you found it useful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more DIY repair tips. See you next time.